There's a bee blaster mounted made a bigger I don't know what they call it, but there's inside of it. Clean the shop up. Shop's clean. There's old Betsy. Still getting worked on day by day, night by night. It's about the money. Trying to money. Only I get money's on the first. So I'm a job yet. So that's how she looks. Show you the dashboard with that dash back in. There's the dashboard. I gotta mount the heater. Gotta get some pedals and brake assembly. I gotta fix the floor. Gotta get the seat made for it. Get windows. Right here, I gotta. The kickstops is out towards the back. Gotta knock the welds out. Push the bottom in. Bring it so it's close to here. So it looks just like that. But it works. And I gotta grind that off. Later on I get a new door. There's a fender. There's the diesel. There's my transmission. Mounted. Got her mounted up. I just gotta get a brake and clutch, flywheel, and a clutch for it. There's my mount. Sitting on the little mounts right now. I just gotta get some big bolts. Right there usually would be an oil cooler. There's my oil cooler for it. The mount's the oil filter. There's my overflow for my Pepsi bottle. I use a Pepsi bottle. I like Pepsi. Gotta constrict my Pepsi in here. But right here's where my air compressor mounts. I got a piece of cardboard right here. I gotta mount a piece of cardboard. Put a piece of cardboard right there to make it come out and cut it out. Cut sheet metal out and weld sheet metal to it. In here I'm gonna have lights. I'm gonna put lights in here. So at night, when inside a car show, you can see sheet lights, like amber lights in here. It's gonna look good. There's my exhaust. There's my dashboard. It makes it look like it's close to it, but it's big. Inside the engine compartment's big. I like it. But I'm gonna get same taillights, turn signals. Because in 55 they didn't have turn signals. All they had was tail lights and brake lights. But there, get more good ones. Look for ones just like that. Gotta get some new parking lights. Gotta mount the hood again. There's my toolbox. I put all the stuff right there. I gotta clean the shop right here. Clean it all up right here too. Get it all clean. But there's my rat rod motor. I'm gonna put that in my rat rod. It's a small block. Put that in there. Mock up and then buy one for it. But there's my fan.